Our last pair has been formed, sir. Nora Valkyrie and Lai Ren. Poor boy. I can't possibly imagine those two getting along. Still, he's probably better off than Miss Nico's. I don't care what his transcripts say. That Jean fellow is not ready for this level of combat. I guess we'll find out soon enough. At their current pace, they should reach the temple within just a few minutes. Speaking of which, what did you use as relics this year? Professor Ozpin?
It's definitely this way. I mean, this way. It's definitely this way. All right, it's official. We passed it.
Why can't you just admit that you have no idea where we're going?
Because I know exactly where we're going. We're going to the Forest Temple. Ugh. Oh, stop it. You don't know where we are either.
Well, at least I'm not pretending like I know everything.
What is that supposed to mean?
It means you're a big, stupid jerk and I hate you.
Just keep moving.
Just keep moving. Hurry up. Wow, watch where you're going. Why are you so bossy?
I'm not bossy. Don't say things like that.
Stop treating me like a kid.
Stop acting like a kid.
Well, stop acting like you're perfect.
I'm not perfect. Not yet. But I'm still leagues better than you.
You don't even know me. Think this is it?
Chess pieces?
Some of them are missing. Looks like we weren't the first ones here.
Well, I guess we should pick one.
Think this is it?
I'm not sure this is it.
Pyrrha, I made the torch. Could you at least humor me for maybe 5 more feet?
Do you feel that?
Soul-crushing regret?
No, it's warm.
How about a cute little pony?
Sure.
That wasn't too hard.
Well, it's not like this place is very difficult to find.
That's the relic! Hey! Bad relic. Gotcha!
Jean?
Some girl's in trouble! Blake, did you hear that?
Mira! This is not the relic! It's not! Do something!
Jean! Whatever you do, don't let... Go.
Blake, did you hear that? What should we do?